Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Aris Mnander and I'm from the first semester counting program study and of course class K. Disclaimer, this video was made to fulfill the first semester final exam assignment. Now I will tell you guys about line graphs, profit and loss. What is profit and loss graph and what is profit and loss graph used for? If you want to know, keep watching this video until the end. Thanks. Now guys, profit and loss graphic report serve to display income, cost, and profit or loss report for 1 year summarized monthly. This report provides graphic or text form. Its function is to compare income, cost, and profit or loss for each month of 1 year. And then next. Well everyone, here I have an example line graphs of profit or loss graphics from PT Blue Bird Tbk. Here I have a recap of profit or loss from 2017 to 2020. Now guys, we have total asset in blue, income in red, and net profit in green. And what is this? This this business expenses and purple. This total asset, this income, this net profit, and this business expenses. Okay guys, next. In 2017 to 2018, net profit and operating expenses show in stable graph between 0 and 1 trillion rupiah. Then their income, which was also in stable graph at a little over 4 trillion rupiah. Next, there is total asset rose to 7 trillion rupiah. What is? I'm sorry. In 2018 to 2019, operating expenses rose slightly to almost 1 million rupiah, while net profit and income fell slightly with net profit at almost 0 rupiah. And income fell to exactly 4 trillion rupiah, but total asset is still rose than more 7 trillion rupiah. In 2019 to 2020, operating expenses show a stable graph, while net profit is still show a fell graph. Next, income down sharply at almost 20 at almost 2 trillion rupiah, but total asset fix is still rose slightly than before. Okay guys, that's all said and thank you. Kamsahamnida.